What's the meaning of conciliation? Conciliation. Conciliation.
Conciliation. Conciliation. Conciliation refers to the process of reconciling or mediating between two conflicting parties in order to reach a mutual agreement or settlement.
The aim of conciliation is to find a resolution that is satisfactory to both parties and avoid the need for costly and time-consuming court proceedings. Conciliation can be facilitated by a neutral third party, such as a mediator or conciliator, who assists the parties in identifying common interests and understanding each other's perspectives. Successful conciliation can lead to improved relationships and ongoing cooperation between the parties involved.